Antarctic Ocean. Since childhood, we have known there are 4 oceans in the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Scientists say the 5th ocean has been found. On World Oceans Day, National Geographic has officially announced the name of the 5th ocean. If you don't know the ocean's name, you must watch the video. Before that, if you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Let's get started. The Antarctic, aka Southern Ocean, is currently the 4th largest ocean in the world. Anyone who has been there will struggle to explain what's so mesmerizing about it. But they'll all agree that the glaciers are bluer, the air colder, the mountains more intimidating, and the landscapes more captivating than anywhere else you can go. Since National Geographic began making maps in 1915, it has recognized 4 oceans. On June 8, World Oceans Day, it recognized the Southern Ocean as the world's 5th ocean. Antarctica is the highest, coldest and driest continent in the world. The environment of this continent is so remote that it is not possible for any human being to live permanently on this continent. Antarctica also has the highest average altitude and wind speed of any continent. The annual rainfall is only 200 millimeters. Because of this continent is called a cold desert. Located at the South Pole, the 5th largest continent in the world, has an area of 14 million square kilometers or 54 million square miles. 98% of the continent is covered with ice, and the minimum thickness of this ice sheet is about 1 kilometer. Antarctica is home to 90% of the world's ice and 71% of its freshwater. The Antarctic Circumpolar Current has introduced millions of years ago. At that time, Antarctica was separated from the South American continent. The waters of this region flow from west to east of Antarctica along the Southern Ocean. This region is relatively cold and less saline. These currents contribute to more water flow than other ocean currents. The Antarctic Circumpolar Current also plays a role in the waters of India, the Pacific, and the Atlantic Ocean. Helps to keep the Earth's temperature stable. Many countries and organizations knew about the South Ocean, but many did not know where it was located. This issue has been debated for a long time. The vast body of water around Antarctica needed to be declared an ocean. The boundaries of this ocean were first marked in 2000. But the recognition of the ocean was elusive on this day as not all the countries agreed. Finally, the desired recognition. However, a new study has found that 16 billion tons of ice are melting from this ice-covered ocean every year, which is double the report of 4 years ago. This will increase the sea level by 0.5 millimeter per year. These figures are given by analyzing images and data sent from a spacecraft of the European Space Research Organization. Scientists now examining the latest image say that the melting of the ice sheet covering the Antarctic continent is accelerating. And every year its height decreases by an average of 2 centimeters. Scientists are particularly concerned about the future of West Antarctica. Because the glaciers that are here that can be called ice rivers can disappear completely within a few centuries. Cryosat says that at least one glacier is now losing 9 meters of ice every year. Scientists say that due to climate change, wind currents are bringing warm water to the oceans and melting the ice of these glaciers. One of the reports published recently says that the way ice is melting in 6 glaciers in Antarctica can no longer be stopped. It has been observed that if all the ice in these 6 glaciers melted, the sea level in the world would rise by about 1.2 meters, which could submerge the low-lying areas of many parts of the world. And one of the reasons behind this is environmental pollution, deforestation, excess carbon dioxide. And the human race is playing the biggest role in these factors. Our efforts to modernize so much environmental pollution because of the extreme impact on our nature. It's high time, we need to take enough precautions to prevent environmental pollution.